Okay, we're going to learn some more stuff about CSS, and here's what we're learning right there. And all the resources for what we're learning. This is a playlist on YouTube. I also have an entire course, which you can see down here, greatercommons.com. You can take the whole thing. And course resources in this document and extensive notes, all right there. And now we're going to learn some stuff about CSS and the box model and border radius. And so I'm going to make this a new folder, and it'll be directory 032. And then I'm going to go in there and give myself another directory. And then inside that directory, create an index.html. And inside there, create main. And split. I'll just copy this a couple times. I'll do 02, 03, 04, 05. There we go. And split vertically. And link main. All right. And so let's say that I have a div. And then over here, I could say div width 400 pixels, height 400 pixels, border 1 pix solid red. So it's a shorthand notation for border. I could have also, and that's pretty much the way you always see it, I could have also tried border, and border width, I think, is one of the options. Border width, 1 pix. And border style, I think, is another option. Style, solid. All right, a bunch of different options there. You see all the options? Right? I'm just going to go with solid. And border color, red. So this is the shorthand notation. You could just write border 1 pix solid red. But you could also do border width, border style, border color. So I gave it a width and a height. I gave that div a width and a height. And then I put a border around it. And if I look at that, there it is. And I'm going to go back here, and I could make that like 5 pixels. And instead of solid, I could make it groove. And I'll make it maybe 30 pixels. Okay? So you've learned width, height, border color, border style. So we've got, we'll do first. We've got, what do we have? Width, height, border width, border style, border color. And that could all be abbreviated with border shorthand. Right? That's shorthand. So those little slashes just mean, hey, there's a comment here. I'll move it over. So that's the first thing we're learning, and then we'll learn something new here for the second video. But that's width, border style, border color. And we could also use the shorthand notation. And if I wanted to learn more about this, MDN CSS border. And I could go to border, MDN, that's an MDN property is shorthand for setting all individual border property values, border width, border style, border color, 1 pix, solid, red, right? And then you could read about each of these if you wanted to see, oh, what's border width or what's border style. I go look at border style, and border style is like, you know, here are some different border styles. Oh, you could do blends. That's cool. I didn't know that. And I could look at examples right here, right? So here's an example. border, outline, box shadow. Interesting. All right, that's border. And let's go look at border radius in the next video.